Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to fix contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So here, let's begin. The first step that I want you to take is open your settings, then tap on your Apple ID. After that, scroll down and try signing it out. Now, the second step, if the first one does not work, is to tap on payment and shipping. Here, enter your Apple ID password and now fill out the info accordingly. Here, if none of the above two steps work, then the last step is to tap on security and sign in. After that, tap on change password and then change your password. Doing this, you will have your issue fixed. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.